The municipality of Famy, Laguna has lost its mayor. Mayor Edwin Pangilinan died due to COVID-19. The 53-year-old mayor passed away on March 28. That same day, his mother also died because of COVID-19. His death was confirmed by politicos of neighboring towns. Ten days before his death, Pangilinan announced on Facebook that he tested positive for the virus. He had his office closed for disinfection and assured residents of Famy that operations in the municipality will not be disrupted. In his March 18 post, Pangilinan expressed confidence he will easily recover, leaving a message to his constituents that he will see them after a few days.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.